Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to hide your apps, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply select the app that you want to hide. Let's say I'm gonna hide my Instagram app. Just keep a long press on it and then just tap on require password option. So here where it is, I have unlocked my app. Now just keep a long press on it, then tap on require passcode and here just select hide and require passcode option. Now just enter your iPhone passcode, then tap on hide app and your app will be hidden. If you have your Face ID, your Touch ID, so you might see that option, but in my case I have only my passcode, so I have to enter my passcode here. Now once you have hidden your app, you are unable to find it on your home screen or also you are unable to search for that app. See, there's no any app like that. If you want to find that app, you just have to simply go to your app library. In your app library, you will see a hidden section. If you have hidden only a single app, you might see this section here. Just tap on it and then verify yourself using your iPhone passcode, your Face ID, or your Touch ID. So I'm gonna enter my iPhone passcode here, and you will find all of your hidden apps. So if you want to unhide it, just keep a long press on it again. Then tap on or add to home screen. Then down to unhide, and your app will be unhide and move to its original position or in its original way. So in this way, you can easily hide or unhide any app on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.